While most would stop at their limits, for some, the limit is only the beginning.
Pushing beyond the limits to create something extraordinary. The world calls these people the masters of craftsmanship.
And Samsung Micro LED started from small questions to create another greatness.
What if we could capture the true colors of nature on the screen?
What if we could redefine the shape of TV?
What if we could fill the entire wall with screens?
To open a new way to see, we looked out of the box and started from the smallest, the micro. The selection process for micro LED is far more meticulous than the evaluation of precious gemstones. The smaller the LED, the more densely they get embedded, which is why the quality of each LED is crucial.
The assessment process doesn't end there. We test over and over again and go through stabilization phases. This process is what we call aging. We strive for perfection in each and every pixel.
Even after the finest of the LEDs pass numerous tests, there remain 43,500 quality adjustments to be made. At every pixel, block, and module level, we assess countless times to make sure black and white is displayed flawlessly.
With an original micro LED technology progressed through 218 rounds of trial and error, and after a rigorous evaluation process that takes persistence, arrives at last.
The micro LED that will open an unparalleled experience with colors that perfectly express everything around you.